How many times in your life has it happened with you that all of your friends wanted to go out and they never called you? How many times in your life have you felt that you were discriminated because of the color of your skin? How many times has it happened with you that you deserved a promotion and your boss rejected? These are the most common things which are happening to most of us in day-to-day life. My name is Mayuri and I welcome to all the wonderful ladies and men who love the women in their life. To my channel, Wake Up Nari, find the leader in you. Isn't this true that most of us have been suffering with these kind of situations in our life when most of us feel that we are not considered, we have been ignored? Similarly, one day Sita came to me and she asked, Mayuri, do you know how much pain and suffering I am going through? I was surprised and I asked her, Sita, what's wrong with you? Sita was, Mayuri, my colleagues have been so bad with me. They went out. They went out without me and they didn't even inform. I was surprised because Sita has always been quite lively and helpful to everyone. So I asked her, Sita, what happened exactly? Could you please elaborate? Sita said, so many times these people have been approaching me for help and I have been helping them throughout. There have been incidences when they have been into bigger problems which would have led them in soup and I helped them out. I was listening patiently to Sita. And then, what else? And yesterday they went out without even telling me and I'm feeling so bad about it. Because when they need help, they are coming to me. And now when it's the time for enjoying, that time when they don't even bother to consider me. This is not done. So I was quietly listening to Sita and I asked her one question. Did they come to you asking for help? Sita said yes. They came to me asking for help. And was it your choice to help them out? She said, yes, of course. Had anybody forced you to help them? And she thought a while. And then she was like, no, nobody forced me. It was completely my decision to help them out. So now, you help them out and you are expecting in return that they should be grateful to you. Am I right? Exactly. They should be grateful to me because I helped them out. Again, I asked one question to Sita. Was it your choice, Sita, to help them out? And then Sita started reflecting back. Yes, it was my choice. Now, please answer my next question. Who had asked you to help? It was my mind. Did you expect something in return? So what exactly are you angry about? That they are not grateful to you? It was the decision of your mind to help them out. Sita, do you think you have an upper hand on them because you helped them out? There was complete silence in the room. There was no communication from Sita which I received. Exactly. So this is what, my friends, our mind keeps playing games with us. And it's up to us, how do we react to it? If any such incidences have happened in your life and if you can relate to it, please mention in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe my channel only at Wake Up Nari, find the leader in you. Thank you.